Hi friends, that's me, and I literally thought of the best Valentine's Day gift for my husband this year. I thought I would share it and give you all some inspiration and some ideas of what to do for Valentine's Day, since Valentine's Day 2025 is already right around the corner. Can you believe that? Here are some of the tools I used for my scrapbook, but you can use something else. I love the glam metallic type looks, so I try to incorporate those into my scrapbook. I think I'm going to end with the Valentine's Day so he can see all the memories beforehand. But yeah, I can't wait to show you all the final product. The shiny thing I used earlier, I used for the borders here. And because I really like the scrapbook background, I tried to just keep it simple with 2 stickers. And that's what I used again for the borders. And make sure you have plenty of stickers, especially pop-out stickers. I found that Michaels has a lot of varieties in terms of stickers, and I also got these from Michaels as well that I can just take. This actually came with my scrapbooking kit that I purchased from Amazon. I'll make sure to link the description down below. This also came with a scrapbooking kit. However, I did use a different scrapbooking case for it that I'll show you at the end. If you're a beginner in scrapbooking, I very much recommend the scrapbooking kit. It came with stencils, the essential stickers. I ended up purchasing these from Target, just like little color pencils that I can use for the stencils. I haven't used it yet. I'm still trying to figure out a way to incorporate it. This I also got from Target, just really good like letters, sticky letters. And I'm also going to make sure I decorate the front with this. I haven't figured out how to do it, but I've been watching a lot of inspiration on YouTube videos. The one I'm doing is very beginner's level, and anybody can honestly do it. You didn't have to use a precise scissor, although I do recommend this glue tape. I was trying to show you how to use it while trying to film, on the other hand. Was somewhat of a fail, but you guys get the idea. So you can kind of see how it sticks, and you don't need much of it because it sticks really well, especially if you have a protective cover. It just works perfectly. Somehow this video turned into a decorate with me video. I did not intend it to be this way, but I was just playing around, and I feel like it's fun just watching people play around and seeing how it works for them, and especially giving you an idea of how a layout should be, especially if you don't want to do the precise cutting and kind of going along the outlines. This is something you can do with easy, simple stickers that you can find off of Amazon, and I'll link everything down below for you. As you can see, I kept the shapes of the photos pretty similar. I didn't really cut it down, which made my life a lot less complicated, and it still looks great, to be honest. To give you an idea of how the other pages look, this is without the protective cover. You can kind of see the background has this shiny frame that I thought would be perfect for family, and putting the family right on top of all these beautiful picture frames. Another tip when you're a beginner and don't want to spend as much time is to make sure you invest in the background paper for the scrapbooks. This will save you so much time on the pages that you don't want to do too much on, but you at least want that background to be nice and fun. Also, this I got from Target to make this a little bit more interactive. I thought I'd put a little personal cute message in there for the hubby that he can read, and it was a great price. It was only like $5 at Target, so definitely run, ladies. This is so great. You can just like tape it right across. Also, I made sure to get myself these it's like journaling pens so I can write wherever I want, and I got this beautiful card for him too. He loves playing the lottery, so I really thought this would be super fun for him just to open and have. Now back to the fun. The envelope is going to have a cute little love letter just for him, and I think I'm going to add in these little mini envelopes on the side and play with them and see what looks great. Anytime you're doing something creative, you really have to just see what looks good and what you like. At the end of the day, it's your creation. I've seen scrapbooks that go above and beyond. This is just a beginner type scrapbook where you don't really have to do as much cutting and try to keep the photos just as you want. I've been playing with the placement of the envelopes. What do you all think? Should I move it? How should I keep it? I'm thinking I can even open up the whole envelope on the top. You'll get a little bit more of what I mean when you see it. So wait till the end to see the finished product. This is what I would consider a very basic page. I tried to add layers with lace and stickers, but I really tried to incorporate more stickers to spend a little less time on decorating, and also so the focus on the actual photos are more into play. A huge money-saving tip and something that adds great visual appeal to your scrapbook would be using old Hallmark cards to actually cut around the cards and design them to the layout that is for your scrapbook. Here is the final scrapbook of how everything turned out. I was trying to get this video uploaded earlier than it's gonna get done because honestly I have so many more photos that I want to add, and I just want to make sure that the video gives you ample time to create your own scrapbook and give you inspiration for what to do for Valentine's Day that's coming up soon. I wish you all a blessed day and thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe and join my channel for more fun. And also I will be posting the final scrapbook of how everything turns out if you're interested. So stay tuned. Thank you all. God bless. Love you.